The last time I remember LA High being skatable was probably sometime in the early 2000s. I think it got taken out sometime around 2003, 2004. So what, 16, 17 years ago? It's been dead. I've just always wanted to see people hit that rail again. We're gonna take a trip to LA High and measure it all out, kind of scope it, and then from there I can sketch that all up in a little 3D program and then pass that off to the welder, and then he can make the rail almost identical to what was there in the past. And then there's going to be another trip involved the night before the session where we actually bolt it into the ground. Oh! So this was it. Little baby steps. 5 by 24 and 1/8. So 8 foot long, and then I just gotta figure out how high to make the back and how high to make it drop off. There's no easy way to do that other than like looking at old photos. It looks super low there. 32 looks about right. I think that's about it. So I apologize in advance to anybody if that's not exactly what it was, but it's got to be really close, like within like an inch or two. So that's what we're gonna roll with. So this is the 3D mock-up of LA High. So yeah, we got this little skater guy in here. He's a Yankees fan. I'd say that's the angle. Whoa.
It's like 8 foot 4 inches.
Now it's Saturday at 9:30 and we're driving over to LA High to put this thing in. So the hope is that we get it bolted in tonight. Hopefully there's no reason that anybody from the school district would be like, hey, somebody's there. And hopefully no maintenance person gets called in for overtime on a Sunday morning to take it out. This is probably the weirdest looking thing ever. Like, I don't even know if people would be sketched out. They would just be like, those dudes got issues. God damn it. Oh yes, thank God. I bought this just for the occasion. Brand new, like an hour ago. Those are on. Wow, that like couldn't have gone fucking better. All right, well, shit, we're done. So it's about, what, 10:13. We're leaving LA High. It went super well. Green lights all the way for sessioning this thing tomorrow at 10 a.m. We're here at the grave site. We resurrected them.
This thing's been gone since I've been in LA, and it's been, I think, over like 10 years it's been gone.
Now that I finally get the chance to skate it, it's gonna be sick. And especially with all the homies, I'm hyped.
Some iconic tricks that come to mind, obviously Wade disarmo. Switch flip front feeble.
Wade, switch heel front feeble.
Heel flip back Smith.
What else did Wade do?
Chris Troy's here. He big spin front board 270'd it, like all the way around.
Joey Pepper, back 180, fakie 5-0.
Justin Eldridge, switch flip salad.
Tone Nguyen, kickflip back tail, fakie, and fulfilled the dream. That was cool.
Austin, switch big spin front board.
15 years later, so we'll see what kind of tricks can go down nowadays. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, fuck. See, it's getting crazy already.